So we started from the landing page where you see that huge Launch Atlas button, but you can also go through agents leaderboards, which showing all the agents and applications which already stand up. But then you drop it down into our launcher wizard, where you actually need to sign in first, and that's what we would go through right now. So whenever I click on Let's Go, it's asking me to sign in, and I would go through like completing your account right now. Let me pick something like this one. And you can register with Telegram, you can register with email, it's all possible, as well as in all our other products. And it gets you to verification of your Telegram with Atlas bot. So you can basically register your account with our bot so we can notify you when something is happening and your application is being provisioned. After clicking on verification, you would see the invitation to Atlas bot where you can click start, and it already includes the actual link from the verification. And you see we are proceeding right now to the next step. And that's it. You already registered with SolAtlas, and now we can proceed towards the launching of our application. And here we got to the point where we are ready to start our agent. So let's go. At the very beginning, we need to name our agent somehow. So for example, I would say Guru Atlas, then have a symbol for your tokens for points, which should be distributed in your bot for your communities, for everyone who's using it, even for yourself. And I would name something like Guru AT. And then there is a description which is used in your system prompts and everything, and then you can continue. At the next step, we need to create the bot with a BotFather and actually connect it to the system. So we would need to create the token, and let me go through it. So when you would get to BotFather, you need to hit like a new bot, right? And then you need to put a name here, and I would put something like Atlas Guru. Why not? And then new bot. Oh, I'm out of the bots right now. I have more than 40 bots. So I removed one of the bots, and now I can proceed. New bot, Guru Atlas bot. I was lucky to have it. And then you insert in your bot token in here and click on continue. We're verifying that bot token is correct, and we can actually find the bot name and everything. And that's why here you see the bot name, which is just specified, and we are inviting you to add the bot to the group, because the group where bot is added is one of the main knowledge bases used in the bot. So this group would be main administrative group for the knowledge base. And additionally, you need to set the privacy settings for your bots to off. Otherwise, bot wouldn't be able to grab messages from your group. And that's easily done with a couple of commands in BotFather. So here I'm setting up like hitting set privacy, picking up the bot which I just registered, and hitting up disable. And now my bot would see everything in the group where I would add it. And let me actually create and add the bot to the group right now while we're waiting for application to be provisioned. Because that's what's happening right now. It takes around 10-15 minutes for the agent to be provisioned and fully functional with like bot web application and everything. And that's what we are waiting here. And while we wait, let's create the new group and add bots there. So to create the group, you hit in here, you picking up like new group, you picking up the bot, hitting next, and here it's done. Here we just set up the bot and set up the group, everything what we have on this step. The bot is still provisioning, that's why he's not answering the group, but he would when we have a notification here that everything is ready and operational. And at the next step, we actually just explaining to the user what kind of features you would have in here, how it's all connected to your particular use cases, and it just to get you through the time of waiting while it's still like provisioning. So when deployment is ready, you would see that your Atlas bot is live. It means your agent is live, and there is like interface for the bot in the Telegram. There is interface in web as well, and you can access it always by chat, then name of your bot, then apps Guru Network AI. And for the Telegram bot, again, you can go to this name and start chatting immediately.